Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Riverside, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add music into your video using Riverside? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add music into your video with Riverside anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running content, you know that adding music into your video can help increase engagement. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Riverside account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Riverside account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add music into one of your videos, you're going to go ahead and take care of that here in Edit. It's this little button with a scissor icon. Okay, once you do that, you have to choose the video that you want to add music into. So if you already have the video in your projects, you can go ahead and add it here if it's already been uploaded. If not, you can simply upload another video by clicking on this button. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use a video I already have. So I'm going to click Add and then Recording. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose this little video. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you over here to the editor in Riverside. So in order to add music, what you're going to do is here to the right, you're going to click on this music icon. Okay, so the cool thing about Riverside, they have a lot of different music tracks that you can use. These are all paid though. So you can see there's a little green lightning bolt next to it. So if you have the paid account, you can go ahead and use that. If not, you can go ahead and upload your music track right here. Or if you want, you can go ahead and just scroll through these ready-made collections. So news and politics, educational. Let's go ahead and click on this one, gaming. Okay, so now here are a lot of different tracks you can add in. Now these aren't full songs. Usually these are going to be used for ambient sound. So once you found a track or a music track you want to use, you're going to click on this little plus icon. If you want to listen to see what it sounds like, you just click on this little play icon. For me, this one's good, so I'm going to click on plus. Okay, now you can see it immediately adds it here. Now, sometimes the music track is longer than what you need it for. So what you can do is you can grab it over here to the right and just shrink it down. Okay, maybe we only want it just a short audio track. And then what you can do is go ahead and drag it to the portion of your video that you want the music to play. So maybe if I want it to play here in the center, you can drag it right there. Now, if you want to drag it into more of an exact location, you can go ahead and drag this little slider bar, and this is going to open up the editor even more. So you're basically zooming into the audio. So right here, you can see it's on 3 seconds, but maybe we want it a little bit further. So we're going to drag it back here, and we see that this one is now on the 2-second mark. And then to play it, just click on this little play button, and you're going to hear the music playing in Riverside. All right, so once you have the music added into your video, you can go back and then add more music if you want. So just click on music and just keep adding in the tracks. Once you're finished, you want to go ahead and click on export. Right here, you can go ahead and export your video that you've added music into. Okay, one other thing I want to let you know is that if you want to tone down the audio in the background, you just click on the audio track, and then here you're going to see this little microphone. Go ahead and click on there, and now you can go ahead and adjust the volume. So maybe you want the music up really high, or maybe you want it really low in the background. You can do that, and each time you play it, you're going to be able to check to see what the audio volume is. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add music into your video using Riverside, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.